Ever found yourself scrambling for your wallet at checkout, only to realize you left your debit card at home? Nightmares, right? Your debit card is your everyday financial workhorse, but have you ever wondered if your online bank offers one? Let's face it, online banks are fantastic for earning high interest rates and managing your money on the go, but sometimes the question lingers, do they offer the traditional tools like debit cards? Today, we're diving deep into Ally Bank, a popular online bank known for its competitive rates and user-friendly platform. But the question on everyone's mind, does Ally Bank have a debit card? The answer might surprise you, so buckle up. Ally Bank, unlike some strictly online financial institutions, definitely offers debit cards. In fact, their debit card boasts some pretty impressive features that make it a strong contender in the world of plastic. Let's break down exactly what you get with an Ally Bank debit card. First things first, the Ally Bank debit card is a MasterCard, which means it's widely accepted by millions of merchants worldwide. So, whether you're swiping at your local grocery store or shopping online, your Ally Bank debit card will likely be your friend. On top of that, Ally Bank doesn't charge any monthly fees for using their debit card. This might seem like a no-brainer, but trust us, not all banks can say the same. Looking at you, traditional banks with their hidden charges. Another perk? Ally Bank's Ally Dollars program. With Ally Dollars, you actually earn cash back rewards on debit card purchases. It might not be the most extravagant rewards program out there, but hey, free money is free money, right? But the real star of the show is Ally Bank's ATM situation. They don't have their own physical ATMs, which might be a turnoff for some. However, Ally Bank fights back with a two-pronged approach that makes ATM access a breeze. First, Ally Bank reimburses you for up to $10 in ATM fees charged by other banks each statement cycle. That's right, use any ATM you want, and Ally Bank will cover those pesky fees as long as they don't exceed $10. Pretty darn sweet, if you ask us. Second, Ally Bank partners with the Allpoint ATM network. This massive network boasts over 55,000 ATMs across the U.S., meaning you'll likely find a fee-free ATM close by, no matter your location. So, whether you rely on in-network ATMs or prefer the flexibility of any ATM with a $10 fee reimbursement, Ally Bank has you covered. Now, let's talk about security. Ally Bank understands the importance of keeping your hard-earned cash safe. Their debit card comes equipped with chip and PIN technology, adding an extra layer of security for your transactions. Plus, Ally Bank offers robust mobile banking features that allow you to monitor your account activity in real time and even freeze your card if it's lost or stolen. Ally Bank's debit card also comes with some spending controls that can be helpful for managing your budget. Through the Ally Bank mobile app, you can set transaction limits, disable certain types of purchases, and even receive real-time notifications whenever your card is used. Finally, ordering an Ally Bank debit card is a breeze. If you're already an Ally Bank customer, you can simply request a debit card through your online account or by calling customer service. New Ally Bank customers will receive a debit card automatically when they open a checking account. So, to answer our original question, absolutely, Ally Bank does have a debit card, and it's a pretty good one at that. With widespread acceptance, no monthly fees, cashback rewards, and convenient ATM access, the Ally Bank debit card offers a compelling package for anyone looking for a reliable and secure way to manage their everyday finances. Of course, every financial decision is personal. We recommend doing your research and comparing Ally Bank's debit card to offerings from other online banks and traditional banks to see which one best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.